So now I'm north of the Enchanted Forest. I used to call it the Annex. It was the only trails I knew of until 2 years ago. Oh. Wow, this is a new trail for me. Oh my gosh. I am not ready for that. Get in an easier gear. These are the trial areas for the trailhead. Gotta watch out for errant golf balls. Alright, I'm at the top of the hill again, restarting after a long water guzzling. And I do not know what to expect other than real sweet awesomeness for this downhill. Hopefully it'll be like a tabletop or something awesome. Whoa. I have to check my bike when I'm done here. It's making some weird noises. Obviously the green. Yeah, I know I'm completely colorblind. Turn to trailhead. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Well, I was expecting a more epic downhill than that. The blue things, like I was saying, hello, are for, oh, nice. Oh, it's zigzags. Nice. They're for the trailathon. I don't think I'm on the trailathon part now anymore, which is going to happen tomorrow, from what I've seen. This is a freaking awesome trail. I think this is going to be my next most favorite trail. Jump! Woo! I actually kind of weakly manualed that. I don't have any energy to do the other trails now. I will not be going any farther north. I really want to jump some of these, but wow. Wrong way. Wrong way for what? I'm really not understanding this. That was confusing. No, I think I'm right. I think I'm going the right direction. Please don't kill me if I'm not. So that was a cut across to get around the berms. Oh. I really hope I'm the first person to action cam this. Oh! Going on YouTube right away. Maybe even tomorrow. Closed. Okay. This was not part of... am I doing it again? I am really confused, folks. Got some geographicness to it. Okay, I can do that. One way. Okay, so no, I am going the right way. It doesn't end. This thing goes on forever. Wow. Thing golf cart path. Okay, so I was here a little while ago. Now I should go back to the... I almost want it to be done with, but I don't. What in all of the world? It goes on forever. Here the golfers and bikers are as one. As we cross the paths and swear at each other. I'm sure somebody's got to do that sometime. Oh, there's a big old fat turkey sitting right there. Hello, turkey. Oh, there's two of them. I don't know if you can see that. It's a fat turkey. Oh, there's a robin. Ooh. yeah. This is rugged. It's fun though. I cannot believe how much fun this trail is. I kind of want to do it again, but probably not today. It just zigzags all over. Man alive. Just unfreaking real. Now. See, these wrong way signs are really deceptive. Not over until the fat lady sings. Or the fat tire sings. Oh my gosh. Seriously? I'm going back uphill again. This is insane. This is going to be one long video. Wow. Awesomeness. I go down the steps. Quarry trail. Goodness sakes alive. Well, I'm not the only one on this trail. Oh, I'm getting beat up. Seriously. Oh, I'm action camming this whole thing because I do not know what's going to happen next. I see a turn. Coming. Turn. Okay. I have no freaking clue what to expect. Oh, that is a tabletop. Oh my gosh! I was hoping for tabletops. There was one right there. So now I have not a clue where I am. There was a branch off, and I'm thinking they don't have it marked very well right here. Wow, that is a big tabletop. All right. Well, hello, Mr. Turkey. Don't mind me. Another tabletop. Sweet. There's another tabletop. Oh, that's like a gap jump. Oh! All right, well, next time I do this, am I going the right way? So I think that was just a loop. Okay. I'm tempted to do that again. Alright, I got some guy ahead of me. We're doing the Quarry trail. Tail end of whatever the heck this long and enduring trail is. I want to do the tube again, but the guy that's right ahead of me is the guy that's ahead of me. Woo! Oh yeah! I kind of hit those, kind of in a rhythm, a little bit. Oh yeah! It's kind of nice because now I can see where the trail goes. If he makes a blunder, oh well. So I am just above the tube. The tube was just below me. Oh yeah. It's a fast section. Fast fun. Fast and fun. Oh yeah, good. Whoa! Let that front fork soak it up. Okay, now that's the end of it. Wow! That was an epically long, awesomely awesome trail. A very well-deserved addition to Theodore Wirth.